Metals, metals, metals. Metals, metals, metals. Restocked. All matched up to the exact picofarad. Let's get them bagged up. Got 140 of them this time, y'all. 140. Let's get them bagged up now. Alrighty, they're all bagged up, all matched up. I'm still trying to search for 32 matching ones for 64, and I really did think I was going to get it out of these, but ooh, close, but not straight there. So I think what I'm doing next time after I get rid of all these is order 200, and I'm pretty sure I'll be able to get my 30. Actually, I know for sure I'll be able to get my 32. So we are fully stocked up. And let me see, I think I counted the biggest bag I had enough in it to basically build like a 28 pill or something. I mean, I was like so close. So we got quite a few bags with a lot in there if you're needing some matched 1000s for a big amp, or if you need something as small all the way down to a 4 pill. Here's 2 matching for a 4 pill. So all these 1000s are matched to the exact picofarad. And this is a very awesome meter right here. It's not the cheapest meter by no means. But a lot of us builders are using these because they're just so good and so accurate. And what I do is I round up or down, because this does it by the decimal. You get 2 decimal places. So if it, for example, let's say it comes out to 997.6, 997.7, I'll round up and let that be a 998. That's the way you do it. That's the way any other meter would do if it did not have decimal places. So all right, man, the last order I did was 100, and they actually got sold pretty quick. So once I get these sold down, I think I'll go ahead and jump up and get 200 in. But that's how you build a good amp, y'all. Match all your parts. Match all the parts that you possibly know how to match. This is old Gatekeeper. Got to get on to do some shipping. Just want to let everybody know that I am restocked on 1000s. 1000 metals. We'll see you. Bye-bye.